Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Talented Builder banner. First, you need to understand that this banner recognizes players who consistently create high-quality structures within the game. We'll walk through the straightforward process to earn it, focusing on key actions that demonstrate your building prowess. This method is designed to be easy to follow, ensuring you can proudly display your achievements. To qualify for the Talented Builder banner, there are a few key requirements. You'll need to complete at least 50 unique builds, each demonstrating creativity and effort. It's crucial that these creations meet the game's quality standards, meaning they are well-constructed and functional. Additionally, maintaining a positive reputation within the community is important, as this reflects your overall contribution and sportsmanship. The easiest way to get the banner involves a consistent approach. Start by focusing on completing several small, detailed projects each day, rather than one large one. Consider collaborating with other builders. This can spark new ideas and improve your skills. Make sure to regularly submit your best work for review, ensuring it highlights your unique style and attention to detail. This steady effort will quickly accumulate the necessary progress. Once you've earned the Talented Builder banner, the journey doesn't end. Continue to hone your skills, experiment with new designs, and always strive for improvement in your creations. Active and positive engagement with the building community is also vital for long-term recognition and enjoyment. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep building, keep creating, and enjoy your well-deserved banner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.